Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to check ChatGPT plagiarism checker. So first of all, I'm gonna copy my essay from here and I'm gonna opening a website called Checker and opening this duplichecker.com website. And scroll down. All you have to need, just enter here your text and scroll down and click on I'm not a robot and click on check plagiarism. And it may take some time to scan the plagiarism. Once it's scanned, here you'll get the plagiarism percentage. So this article is 100% unique. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up. Please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching this video.